So hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I know haven't posted any videos for a very long time. I'm just gonna give you a summary that yes, I'm working as a professional in a particular company. So I had to basically bring down my capital to just zero. I mean, not zero. I was just testing waters with 1 lakh or with all sorts of other things. So yeah, overall, yeah, I the conclusion is that I'm dealing with a higher time frame. I'm doing anything and everything which is basically aligning with my price action. So it's on 1 day time frame, and I could be trading any derivatives, futures, cash segment swings, and also commodities in there, right? So yeah, it clearly depends upon what kind of momentum I'm expecting. Based upon that, I would be approaching them through option selling or complete directional through cash or futures or anything could be that. So yeah, let's just take a few examples. This entire video is just going to make you give you an understanding that okay, even a professional person who is working as a particular employee in any company can trade eventually. So yeah, I'm still not there with my full capital, but I could say I'm here from around 1 lakh to 10 lakhs, and I would be adding more as time passes by. So, giving you the three trades analysis, the first major trade was of Nifty's Iron Condor. I had shorted 18,500 puts and 18,900 calls, and the above two are just hedges. So, just focus on these two. The overall profits through this was around 0.7 percentage on my capital, which is 7,000. And I wasn't expecting much because given the kind of VIX we are in, if you look at it, it's at 11.40 right now. So yeah, I had shorted the 18,900 calls in here and 18,500 puts on Friday, almost at the closing time, I would say, or not at the closing time. It was around close to around 10 or 11 a.m. Early in the morning, right? So didn't expect much of a move because we had close to a good trendy move for the last 2 days, and eventually my idea was to square it up on Monday with just 0.5 percentage and a 0.5 percentage stop loss, given the kind of gap ups or gap downs we have. So, but I eventually got more, which is 0.75 percentage. I took a bit of more risk on the capital itself and aimed for 1 is to 1.5. So that's how it basically ended, and I didn't want to take further any risk because eventually I would even lose up my 0.75%. I mean 1 is to 1.75 or 1 is to 1.5 target as well. So exited with this around 0.7 percentage, and Hindustan Unilever, I had basically built out the strategy on sensible. There were different sorts of strategies, so I was just testing out with just one lot in here, which gave me close to around, eventually if you look at it, it was around 0.35 percentage target. uh, I mean, my target was 0.5 percentage, again 5,000, but I exited pretty quick because my overall target was 1 percentage a week, which I had achieved in here. Now, this again, what was the analysis? Given that the strategy builder, I would give you a further good example when I'm going into a live trade back again. Eventually, I would try to post more videos, at least one or two in a week, so that yeah, it goes on pretty smooth for you guys to understand as well. So yeah, this was the call and the puts when I was aiming to just sell it off, given off the risk, and hedge it as per the strikes as well, which Sensible recommended me upon the strategy. And eventually when it came down, like I was holding on for like almost half a month for this particular trade, and I should have held on for more, but again, given the kind of month and I'm just testing things out, it is going on pretty well. So I thought that okay, let's just book some profits and be happy for the month and eventually focus up everything from next month onwards, giving you the all the entire data which is required. So yeah, this was it for the particular trade, and then we have a live trade on gold petals. This again, Hindustan Unilever was a complete iron condor, selling the calls and puts nearby and hedging them, right? But this hedging is completely different because in here, if you see at Nifty, I had basically hedged out only for margin, so there was quite a bit of risk. But in here, I had to make sure that if a stock can open 5% or 5% gap down, I don't end up beating myself. But Nifty, that doesn't happen. So yeah, you would understand and go on with iron condors. But these two were completely like non-directional trades. For gold petals, it is a completely directional trade. To be honest, I'm shorting it on the basis of gold world charts. If you look at it, it's a complete breakdown. So this is what I feel. My stop loss is at around $1969. This is in dollars. And then in here it's at 1820. This is what I'm aiming, and probably this is going to be a long swing. So I had taken the next series of July, 3 days ago something. Again, commodities, it's again testing in fear for me. What I'm pretty good at is around now indexes are in condor. So this costed me around 3 lakhs, this costed me around just 50,000, and this is like testing it with just 12,000 or 10,000 in here. So this is it for the kind of update I wanted to give you on this week, and I'll be making more videos based upon that, whatever I'm thinking and trying to trade. Just in case if you have any queries, you can just reach out to me on the Instagram handle or any other group if you want me to add you up. We have a good fun group on Instagram, and yeah, you could probably join in and ask me all your questions. So until next time, take care, stay safe, and happy trading, guys. Bye bye.